Wanna know how to restore your deleted notes on your Evernote account? Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this 3 straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Trash below Work Chat. Tap on the particular note that you want to restore. I really want to restore this picture note on the bottom, this untitled note. I'm going to tap on it. First of all, I need to enter my password, so I am going to do that. And then when you're onto this section, tap on this 3-dotted straight line on the top right corner. Tap on Restore Note, Avoid Delete Note. Just by doing it, you can see that your note has been successfully restored. Go back and you can check it, going to home screen again and then refreshing it. Scroll down on the bottom, you can see there is this particular picture with this untitled note. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.